Some horse racing now. Six-time champion jockey Omar Walker could land both feature races on tomorrow's 9-race card at Caymanas Park, the G.A. Sarge Buckner Memorial Cup and the James B. Dawes Memorial Trophy. Jermaine Brown reports.
Omar Walker, who is third in the Jockeys Championship with 28 winners, 8 behind leader and a 3-time champion Dane Nelson, will be partnering the Richard Azan-trained Peking Cruz, the anti-post favourite for the $1 million G.A. Sarge Buckner Memorial Cup, over the straight course. The 5-year-old Peking Cruz is winless this season from 6 starts, racing against lesser rivals. But the chestnut gelding will be racing at his pet trip over the straight course. The last time Peking Cruz lost by a neck to the informed Universal Boss on July 18. The speedy Peking Cruz's main challengers will be Ras Emanuel, another course specialist who won the event a year ago in a fast time of 58 seconds flat and seems to be coming back to form. Rajon the pilot from the barn of powerhouse Wayne Da Costa is now better prepared for the race, and with the 2018 champion jockey Anthony Thomas riding, will give Walker and Peking Cruz a good run every inch of the journey. Post time for the G.A. Sarge Buckner Memorial Cup will be at 4:40 p.m. Earlier, Walker will be aboard Awesome Aviator from the stables of Ryan Darby in the James B. Dawes Memorial Trophy over 6.5 furlongs. Awesome Aviator took a drop from $650,000 claiming company to $550,000 claimer for the $750,000 purse money. The last 3 occasions the 4-year-old Dark Bay colt competed in this claiming company, he recorded 1 win and 2 third-place finishes. Now comfortable in the claiming group, he should be able to win his 2nd race of the season. His stablemate, Eddie's Princess, finished ahead of Awesome Aviator on July 26, beating Innovator, so it should be a battle between Walker and Dick Cardenas to the finish line for the Derby pairs. Raw Liquid and the speedy Chief of State should make the race very competitive. Post time for the 3rd race will be at 1:40 p.m. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.